Hello everyone. Today we are at Navarre Park in Navarre, Florida. We are in the 32566. We are in the heart of Navarre. This is right where you would access the bridge to get to the beach. And we are right on 98. The Navarre Park was redone in 2022 and features a new playground, a splash pad, as well as a music park. So I will take you to the main playground first. As you can see, it does have restrooms. This is one of two restroom facilities within the park. So you do have swings for all ages, a playground set, and this really is so beautiful because it is right on the water. And there is a picnic area down below. So in here you do have a gated playground area. There are benches all over for seating. And as you can see down here, there is a nice paved area for picnic tables. There is a paved walking path, so you could bring a stroller down here. And then there is also a pier for fishing. Do you see the old Navarre Beach sign before they rebranded? It's such a staple in our community. It's Florida's best kept secret and still is somewhat. The park does have this soft flooring. And then I believe you can access the splash pad right through there, but I'm not completely sure. The splash pad is not operable right now. It is March. I believe it runs through May to September. Quite an expansive splash pad area, and as you can see the water from here as well. Lots of seating. So when you enter the park here, there is enough parking to access the Navarre Beach Bridge. So if you are wanting to walk or run the bridge, that would be right through that sidewalk area there. Over here is the music park. It's called the Navarre Rotary Harmony Park, and it has a bunch of instruments that make noise. It's been quite a hit. The community really loves it. It does have a great sunshade, which is nice in the summers because it can get quite warm. As you can see, there are just plenty of instruments to play, drums. I'm not a music professional, so I couldn't tell you the names of these instruments, but my family has really enjoyed it. All right, the other side of the park here, this is the Welcome Center. And just past that are more restrooms. So you can see there are sidewalks winding through here. This will take you down by the water to that picnic area we were looking at earlier. And there is a sandy beach area just past the Welcome Center. You can swim in this water. There are no lifeguards on duty. So you can see the little beach area through there. And here is the beautiful picnic area. Plenty of room, lots of tables. And you can see a better view of the pier here as well. And there is our beautiful Navarre Beach Causeway that takes you to Santa Rosa Island and Navarre Beach on the Gulf. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on this tour of Navarre Beach Park. It is a wonderful staple in our community. It was redone in 2022, has a lot to offer, and we are in the heart of Navarre.